Um, so, sorry. That was a side note, but let's talk about this quarter note triplet. So when you're playing straight, it's a little bit more difficult to understand. It's one of the wonderful things about swing, is it's all based on triplets, so it might be a little bit easier. Maybe it'll be harder. I don't know. Let's talk about this. So starting with the C sharp minor there, if we're going to go straight, if I'm going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... That should be a B. Sorry. So, if you're playing it straight, you have to switch gears, because if you just think about it, it's divided in, the measure is divided into two halves visually, which is very nice. The first half is divided into 4 beats, 4 equal segments. The second half is divided into 3 equal segments, right? Mm-hmm. So you have to switch gears. Mm-hmm. What we actually practice in the biz, if you have your metronome, and drummers especially practice this, you play, you clap with the metronome, and then you divide it in 2. Metronome doesn't change speed, then 3, and 4. So the speed of my foot doesn't change, but the subdivision changes. Mm-hmm. So this is the difference between 4 and 3. So I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3, and then 4, 3, 4, 3. I've done that a lot. I've spent a lot of my life practicing that and switching between subdivisions. So you get muscle memory. That's another muscle memory thing. But if you want to do a math thing, I'll write this out for you and do a lowest common denominator thing. You will discover in swing, which this is swing, right? We're doing this as swing. So in swing, we magically convert this 4 into 6. And I'll tell you why. Because they are triplets. Remember, you go 1, 1, and 2, and, right? So it's already divided into 6 eighth notes. And if you look at this, lo and behold, we have 3 quarter notes, which if you half those, 6 eighth notes. So it's the same timeline. Da, 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 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But the perception is still going to change. If we just think about 6s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a fun little thing that happens if I just play a note. The first half of the measure, the eighth notes are going to be on the 1st, 3rd, 4th, and 6th beat. Remember, where's my pencil? If I write in these rests, because those are where the rests are, right? Yeah. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then if I write the rests in here, it's every other beat. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I could do the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's weird. It's a perception thing. If you just do that, exactly that, over and over again, it will start to make sense. But the main reason that it's difficult to understand is the emphasis points. This is still the first half is like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Sorry, that's the whole thing. So it's 2 groups of 6 on the macro, right? 2 groups of 6, but the subdivisions are different. Mm-hmm. In the first half, it's 2 groups of 3. This 6 is further down into 2 groups of 3. And the second half, this quarter note triplet, is 3 groups of 2. 3 groups of 2. 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 2. And it feels completely different. This is something that I love about music in this time signature. I think 12/8, 6/8, like Celtic music has fun with this all the time. West African music has fun with this. Any culture that really gets into this type of that particular math equation, you know, it's a da 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 da. You know, that kind of stuff is really, it's fun and you can layer it. Sounds like two time signatures at once. Da 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 da. You know what is it? Da 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 da. There's a million this.